9. So what will be the total number of flowers? It will be 9. Write it down. After that, count the number of houses. How many houses we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the total number of houses will be 14. Okay, so now after the counting of the flowers and houses, we have to put the symbol greater than or less than. Okay student, so suppose if here I have 9 and here I have 14, so which one is the larger one? Houses will be the larger number compared to the flowers. Then how we can put the symbols? Symbols showed, if symbols is like this, okay, so this side shows larger one and the midpoint shows the lesser one. Okay, so which one is larger? House is the larger, so put the symbols in that way. Okay, so the number of houses is larger than the number of flowers. Okay, coming to the next question. So here we have some numbers. How we can find out the numbers? We can find out the number with the help of, yes, counting. Correct. So let's count the first one. Here we have one bundle of 10 sticks. Okay, so how many tens we have? 110. And how many loose pencils we have? 1, 2, 3. So 110 and 3 units. Number will be 13. Correct. Count the next one. Here we also have only one bundle. It means we have only 110. Correct. And how many units we have? Only 1. So the number will be 11. Okay. After finding the number, we have to put the symbol. So which one is larger? 13 is larger than 11. So how we put the symbols? This side shows the larger one and this one shows the smaller one. Okay, so put the symbol. Correct. So this is the method of putting the symbols of larger one and smaller one. Okay, so student, now we have some numbers. Some numbers are written. You have to put only the symbols. Okay, coming to the A, 43 and 56. Which one is larger? Yes, 56 is larger than 43. Coming to the B, 52 and 37. Which one is larger? 52 and 37. Which one? Yes, correct, 52. After that, 28 and 34. Which one is larger? 28. In 28 we have 2 units, 2 tens, 8 units. In 34 we have 3 tens, 4 units. So which one is larger? Correct, 34. After that we have 69 and 41. In 69 we have 6 tens, 9 units. In 41 we have 4 tens, 1 unit. So which one is larger? 69. Correct. Moving to the next, we have 17 and 31. We know that 38 is larger than 17. 75 and 54. Correct. 75. Correct. Okay. So student, this is the exercise of larger than and smaller than. Okay. You have to complete it in your textbook. Okay. So for today's session, our next topic is ascending order. So student, firstly we have to understand what is the meaning of ascending order. So here I draw some pictures, that is step which is moving forward. So student, ascending order means we have to move from smaller to larger one. Here if we have 1, 4, 6, 7 and 9. Okay, so how we can put it? Suppose it is a one step and we want to write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we move forward. So this type of arrangement of numbers are known as ascending order. Correct. How we can do it? Suppose in this question, our first example is, here we have 5 numbers. So firstly we have to write the whole 5 numbers. So number are 54, 58, 72, 91 and 31. Okay, now we have 5 numbers and we want to arrange them in ascending orders. So how we can arrange them? What is the meaning of ascending order? Yes, so meaning of ascending order is when we arrange the number from smaller to larger one. Correct. So here firstly we have to find out which number is smaller. So which one is the smallest? Correct. 31 is the smallest number. So firstly we have to write the smaller one. Okay, write it as 31. So it will be the smaller number. After that, find the next one. See the number. Firstly we have to see the number. 54, 58, 72 and 91. So which one is the smaller? 54. Correct. Firstly you have to find the smallest tens. So here we have a smaller 10 will be the 5 because 7 and 9 is the larger than 5. After that look the units. Here we have 4 units and here we have 8 units. So which unit is larger? Yes, 8. So the next number will be 54. Write it. Okay, 54. Yes. Now moving to the next. Which one is larger? Yes, correct. 58. 58. Moving forward, after 58, only 2 numbers are remaining, 72 and 91. So which one is the smaller? Correct, 72. Okay. Now we have only one number, and which one is the largest number? That is 91. Now students, see the arrangement. Here we have 31, 54, 58, 72 and 91. So these type of arrangement where we move from smaller to larger is known as ascending order. Okay, we can understand it with the one more example. Okay, so firstly write the number. Okay, so the number will be 94, 34, 19, 56, 70 and 32. So firstly we have to arrange them. How we can arrange them? Firstly we have to find out the smaller one. So which one is the smallest number? See, 94, 34. So smaller tens will be 9, 3, 1, 5, 7, 3. Smaller tens will be 1. So smallest number will be 19. After that smallest 94, 34, 19, 56, 70, 32. Write it as. See the next number. Next number will be 34. After that, which number? 56. Correct. After that, 70. Yes. And then we have 94. Correct. So this will be the arrangement of ascending order when we arrange these numbers from smaller to larger. So these type of arrangement of numbers are known as ascending order. Moving to the next is descending order. Descending order is just opposite to the ascending order. Means when we arrange the numbers from larger to smaller. When we arrange the number from larger to smaller, then such type of arrangement are known as descending order. If we arrange the number such as 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So this type of arrangement is known as descending order. Descending order is just opposite of ascending order, where we arrange the number from larger one to smaller. Okay, we can understand it with the help of example. So firstly find the number and write it. So the number will be 54, 28, 56, 76, 34 and 10. Okay, now arrange them in descending order. So in ascending order we find the smaller one, but we know that the descending order is opposite of ascending order. So here firstly we have to find out the larger number. So which one is the larger number? 76. Write it down. After that, what will be the next one? After 76, the larger one will be? Yes, 56. Next, 54. Next, 28, 34, 10. So it will be 34. Yes. And then 28. After that, remaining number is 10. So here we arrange the larger number first and the smaller in the last. So this type of arrangement is known as descending order. We can understand it with the more example. Okay, so in the next question, firstly we have to write down the number. Number will be, so first number will be 89. Then we have 65, 92, 19, 26, 73 and 31. Okay, now we have to arrange them in descending order. So what is the method of finding out the descending order? Firstly we have to find out the larger number. So the larger numbers, see the numbers 89, 65, 92, 19, 26, 73, 31. So the larger will be the 92. So write down 92. After that, yes, 89. Then 73. After that, 65. Then 31. Then 26. And the last one will be 19. So student, this type of arrangement where we arrange the numbers from larger to smaller is known as descending order. Okay.